Friends from all over the world, brothers and sisters, this is Dr. Priyaranjan Trivedi. I am the Chancellor of a few universities in India and outside India. After visiting many countries of the world, I came to the conclusion that I must create a new internet-based television channel. And the name of this channel is World Today channel, where problems and solutions for the contemporary world will be discussed on a continuing basis. Every day there will be a post of contemporary importance, viewing the pandemic diseases which is happening in almost all countries of the world, other issues relating to world peace, the problem of peacelessness, unemployment, or for that matter environmental degradation, intellectual property rights, human rights, besides geoinformatics, bioinformatics, ecological tourism, ecological philosophies, as also the important need to solve the problem of unemployment by creating eco-friendly jobs, and also through rural and urban entrepreneurship with a view to creating more number of job givers than job seekers. So there are many new ideas, and I'm sure each and every individual who is observing this video and the TV channel will appreciate it, will give their own comments, and we are there to help each and every person of the world for having a cleaner world and a greener world. With these words, may I today start something more about this channel. We are finding that there is a population explosion in many countries, and the environmental degradation is directly related to the population explosion. So this must be controlled. This is possible by having a new communication strategy for better family planning, because people of different religions have their own philosophies about the birth rate and also conceiving and having more children or less children. So viewing those facts, for that matter, if somebody is a Hindu, the philosophy is different. If somebody is a Muslim, the philosophy is different. Accordingly, for Buddhists or Christians or Sikhs or Jains or Zoroastrians or Confucians, there are new theories. So we have to have a separate communication strategy to reach them in order to ensure that they understand the need for having a controlled family size, because there is a limit that our Mother Earth can sustain. So the entire system has to be sustainable. We say that systems are failing. Why it is failing? Either banking system or the development system, educational system or communication system, or for that matter any other system which is obsolete. So we have to change the system, because now we are coming to a new world. For that matter, we were not very much interested in online education. The colleges and schools which had full-time teaching had big importance, and now because of the pandemic disease, there are many new ideas coming. There are new vocations which are likely to come. There are many new occupations which are likely to come. So viewing all this, all these topics will be covered. For example, in 1 month we will cover minimum 30 topics, and every day you will find a new post, a new discussion, so that you are quite satisfied about any confusion. And should you feel like asking something more about a particular topic, you can email to us, which is given in our post, or for that matter you can always email to us to the address given below, ecology@ecology.edu. I repeat, ecology@ecology.edu. Thank you very much, and let us wait for tomorrow.